Hello, dear friends. Welcome back to Kitchen Compass. Today, let's see how to make fudgy and gooey chocolate brownies. The ingredients are listed in the description box below. Before we begin, line an 8 by 8 inch square tin with parchment paper. Leave some parchment paper at the sides so we can easily remove the baked brownies from the tin. Into a heat-proof mixing bowl, add in 115 grams of butter and 140 grams of chopped semi-sweet or bittersweet chocolate. Melt the mixture by keeping it over simmering water and stirring. This can also be done by microwaving it in short spurts of 30 seconds each, stirring in between until the chocolate and butter has melted. You can see that the chocolate and butter have melted nicely. Remove the bowl from heat. In the meanwhile, keep the oven for preheating at 160 degrees centigrade. Into the chocolate butter mixture, add in 180 grams of coarsely powdered sugar and whisk until combined. Add in 15 grams of unsweetened cocoa powder and combine well. This recipe requires 3 eggs. Add in the eggs one by one, combining well after each addition. Stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. If you like a slight hint of coffee, add 1 teaspoon of instant coffee powder. Now add the all-purpose flour or maida in batches, combining well after each addition. Gently fold in the flour to the chocolate mixture. A total of 95 grams of flour is required for this recipe. Higher fat to flour ratio and addition of melted fat from the butter and chocolate helps in achieving fudgy brownies. Optionally, for a nutty bite, add some chopped walnuts. If you want the brownies more richer and chocolatey, add in 50 to 80 grams of dark choco chips. Combine all the ingredients well. Transfer the batter into the lined baking tray. Bake it at 160 degrees centigrade in the middle rack for 20 to 25 minutes. Keep checking after 20 minutes. It took me 20 minutes to bake the brownies. For a gooey brownie, a toothpick inserted in the middle should have a few moist crumbs clung onto them. If it comes out clean, the brownie has been overbaked and will not be gooey. Transfer the brownie to a wire rack and allow it to cool down. The brownies are ready now. See how gooey they are. These can be enjoyed warm. They can be stored in airtight containers at room temperature for 3 to 4 days. Please do try this recipe and let me know your feedback. Thank you.